Hello students, welcome to our channel Learning Notebook. In today's video, we are going to do complete chapter of addition and subtraction for class 3. In this video, we will do addition of 3-digit numbers, addition of 4-digit numbers and subtraction of 4-digit numbers. Before starting with this chapter, let me tell you that we have made videos on every chapter of class 3 mathematics. We also have interesting worksheets and quizzes on each chapter. You can find all of them on our channel Learning Notebook. You can also see the list of all such videos on our website. The link to our website is below in the description box. So let's see what all topics we are going to cover today in this video. First, we will understand addition and subtraction facts. Then, how to add 3-digit numbers, how to add and subtract 4-digit numbers, how to add with and without carrying, how to subtract with and without borrowing. Then we will learn how to check difference, how to estimate the difference. And we will also solve word problems related to addition and subtraction. And in the end, students, I will give you a worksheet for your practice. So let's start and first understand addition terms. So what is addition? Addition means to find the total value of 2 or more numbers. Like if we add 2 and 3, we get the total value as 5. Right? So here, look at these two numbers, 25 and 13. If we add both the numbers, we get the answer as 38. Now, what are 25 and 13? These are the numbers which are being added. So, these are known as addends. Numbers which are added are called as addends. And the answer which we get after adding them is called as sum. S-U-M. Sum. So these are the addition terms which you need to know, addends and sum. Now let's learn addition facts. First addition fact is numbers can be added in any order. Their sum remains the same. Let's take an example. 7 plus 2 equals to 9. Now, if we change their order and we do 2 plus 7, then also we get the sum as 9 only. So, students, numbers can be added in any order, their sum remains the same. Let's see the second addition fact. When 1 is added to a number, the sum is the successor of a number. For example, if we add 1 to 5, that is 5 plus 1, we get the sum as 6. And 6 is the successor of 5. Similarly, if we add 1 to 12, so 12 plus 1 equals to 13. And we know 13 is the successor of 12. Okay, so remember when 1 is added to a number, the sum is the successor of that number. Last addition fact says, when 0 is added to a number, the sum is the number itself. Let's take an example. If we add 0 to number 2, so we get the sum as 2, which is the number itself. Similarly, if we do 12 plus 0, then also we will get the sum as 12 only. That is the number itself. Okay, students? So these were the 3 addition facts. Now let's do some questions based on these addition facts. First is 16 plus 1 equals to dash. It is equals to 17. It is based on the fact that when 1 is added to a number, the sum is the successor of that number. So here 17 is the successor of 16. Next question. Dash plus 69 equals to 69 plus 5. So what would be the answer here? Yes, 5. Because we learned numbers can be added in any order, their sum always remain the same. So answer is 5. Next question. 88 plus dash equals to 88. So here answer is 0. Because when 0 is added to a number, the sum is the number itself. Let's see the next question. 79 plus 1 equals to dash. So here we have to fill in the successor of 79, which is 80. Okay. Let's see the next question. 7 plus 6 plus 3 equals to 3 plus dash plus 6. So can you tell me the answer here? Yes, it is 7. Because numbers can be added in any order. Their sum remains the same. So now I'm sure students you have understood these addition facts and how to solve questions based on them. Now let's do addition of 3-digit numbers without carrying. Let's take an example. Add 652 and 123. So let's first write these numbers in column form. Now we will start adding them from ones place. So 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Now we will add the digits at tens place. 5 plus 2 equal to 7. And then we will add the digits at hundreds place. 6 plus 1 equal to 7. So answer is 775. So kids, this is how we add two 3-digit numbers without carrying. Now let's do addition of 3-digit numbers with carrying. Question is add 468 and 256. After writing these two numbers in column form, we will start adding them from ones place. 8 plus 6 equal to 14. Now students, 14 is a 2-digit number. So we will carry 1 to the tens place and 4 comes in the answer. Why are we doing this? Because 14 means 1 tens and 4 ones. That is why we carry 1 to the tens place. But students, in simple words, you can remember that if you get a two-digit number after adding, then you have to carry as we did here. Now, let's add the digits at tens place. Students, you have to make sure that you add this carry here. So 1 carry plus 6 equal to 7 and 7 plus 5 equal to 12. Now 12 is a two-digit number, so we will carry 1 to the hundreds place and 2 comes in the answer. Now we will add the digits at hundreds place. Again we will add this 1 here. So 1 carry plus 4 equal to 5 and 5 plus 2 equal to 7. So answer is 724. So students, this is how we do addition of three-digit numbers with carrying. Let's do next question. Add 364 and 487. So let's add them from ones place. 4 plus 7 equal to 11. 11 is a two-digit number. So let's carry 1 to the tens place and 1 comes in the answer. Now let's add the digits at tens place. Make sure to add this 1 carry here. So 1 plus 6 equal to 7 and 7 plus 8 equal to 15. Again, 15 is a two-digit number. So let's carry 1 to the hundreds place and write 5 in the answer. Now we will add the digits at hundreds place and we will make sure to add this 1 carry here. So 1 plus 3 equal to 4 and 4 plus 4 equal to 8. So answer is 851. If you still not have subscribed to our channel Learning Notebook, then do subscribe it and make sure to press the bell icon. So students, now I am sure you have understood how to do addition of three-digit numbers with and without carrying. Next, let's understand addition of four-digit numbers without carrying. Let's add these two four-digit numbers 3324 and 6512. So first we will write them in column form as shown here. And then we will start adding them from ones place. So 4 plus 2 equals to 6. Next, add the digits at tens place. 2 plus 1 equals to 3. Next, 3 plus 5 equals to 8. And lastly, we will add these two digits. 3 plus 6 equals to 9. So we have got the answer as 9836. So this is our answer. Now let's do addition of 4-digit numbers with carrying. Let's add these two 4-digit numbers, 4827 and 1896. So first of all, write them in column form. Then start adding them from ones place. So 7 plus 6 equals to 13. Now students, 13 is a 2-digit number. So we will carry this 1 to the tens place. And 3 remains in the answer. Next, add the digits at tens place. So here students, make sure that you add this carry here. So here we have to add these 3 numbers. So let's add them easily. We can see that 9 plus 1 equals to 10. And then 10 plus 2 equals to 12. Again we have got a 2-digit number. So let's carry this 1 to the hundreds place. And 2 remains in the answer. So now let's add digits at hundreds place. Again, make sure to add this carry here, right? Now here, there are 2 8s. So first we will add these two because it is easy to add same numbers, right? So 8 plus 8 equals to 16 and 16 plus 1 equals to 17. 17 is a 2-digit number. So let's carry this 1 to the thousands place and 7 remains in the answer. Now add the digits at thousands place. So 1 plus 4 equals to 5 and 5 plus 1 equals to 6. So we have got the answer as 6,723. So this is how students we add 4-digit numbers. Let's do one more example. This time we have to add these two 4-digit numbers. So first write them in column form as shown here. Now we will start adding them from ones place. So 8 plus 7 equals to 15. And since 15 is a 2-digit number, so we will carry 1 to the tens place and 5 comes in the answer. Next, let's add the digits at tens place. So first, let's do 9 plus 9 because it is easy to add same numbers. So 9 plus 9 equals to 18 and 18 plus 1 carry equals to 19. Now students, you can also solve this as 9 plus 1 equals to 10 and 10 plus 9 equals to 19. You can do it either ways. Now 19 is a 2-digit number. So let's carry 1 to the hundreds place and write 9 in the answer. Next, add the digits at hundreds place. So 1 carry plus 3 equals to 4. Next, 5 plus 4 equals to 9. So this is our answer. 9495. 9495. So now students, I am sure you have understood how to do addition of 4-digit numbers with carrying. Now let's see how to solve word problems related to addition. First word problem is there are 650 packets of milk in a dairy. The mother dairy truck delivered 297 more packets of milk. How many packets of milk are there in the dairy? So students, to solve any word problem, first of all, it is very necessary to understand that word problem and find out which mathematical operation to be used in this word problem, like whether we have to do addition, subtraction or multiplication or division. So first, let's understand this word problem. Here it is given that in a dairy, there are already 650 packets of milk. Now, a truck, mother dairy truck, it delivered 297 more packets of milk. And now we have to find total number of packets of milk in the dairy. So, we have to find total number of packets, which means we have to do addition here. So, let's see how to solve this. First, we will write statements. So, we will write number of milk packets in dairy equals to 650. Then, number of milk packets delivered equals to 297. So, to find total milk packets, let's add these two numbers. So, after writing them in column form, we will start adding them from ones place. So, 0 plus 7 equals to 7. Next, 5 plus 9 equals to 14. So, carry 1 and write 4 in the answer. Next, 1 plus 6 equals to 7 and 7 plus 2 equals to 9. So, this is our answer, 947. Students, in word problems, make sure that you write the answer statement. There are 947 milk packets in the dairy. Now, students, for more word problems related to addition and subtraction, you can refer to our separate video where we are going to solve many word problems. Okay, so you will find the link to this video here on the top and below in the description box. Now, let's do subtraction. So, what is subtraction? Subtraction means to find the leftover or what is missing. Let's take an example to understand subtraction terms. 587 minus 352 equals to 235. So here the number from which another number is subtracted is called minuend. So in this example, 587 is minuend. And the number which is being subtracted is called subtrahend. So here 352 is subtrahend. And students, the answer that we get on subtracting the two numbers is called the difference. So here 235 is the difference. Now let's understand subtraction facts. First subtraction fact is when 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. So this subtraction fact is saying when we subtract 0 from any number, the answer we get is the number itself. Let's take some examples. 23 minus 0 equals to 23 only. So here we have subtracted 0 from 23 and we have got the difference as the number itself, that is 23. Another example, 100 minus 0 equals to 100. So here also answer is the number itself. Next subtraction fact. When 1 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the predecessor of the number. So here students, this fact is saying, whenever we subtract 1 from any number, the answer which we get is the predecessor of the number. What is predecessor? The number before. For example, if we subtract 1 from 15, we get the answer as 14, and 14 is the predecessor of 15. Another example, 89 minus 1 equals to 88, and 88 is the predecessor of 89. So this is subtraction fact 2. Now the last subtraction fact is, when a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is always 0. So students, whenever we subtract a number from itself, we will get the answer as 0 only. For example, if we subtract 7 from 7, then we will get the answer as 0. Let's take one more example. 62 minus 62 equals to 0. So here also answer is 0. So students, these are the 3 subtraction facts. Now let's use them to solve some questions. Fill in the blanks. Question 1 is 87 minus 1 equals to dash. So here answer is 86. Because according to fact number 2, when 1 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the predecessor of the number. So here 86 is the predecessor of 87. Next, dash minus 1 equals to 49. So here answer is 50. Using same fact. Subtraction fact number 2. Next, 74 minus dash equals to 74. So students, can you tell me the answer here? Yes, 0. Because we learned in subtraction fact number 1, when 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. So here answer is 0. Next, 19 minus 1 equals to dash. So what is the answer? 18. Using subtraction fact number 2. Next, 87 minus 87 equals to dash. Here answer is 0. Because we learned in subtraction fact number 3, when a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is always 0. And now the last question is 100 minus dash equals to 99. So here answer is 1. Because students, according to fact number 2, when 1 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the predecessor of the number. And here 99 is the predecessor of 100. So our answer is 1. So now I am sure you have understood how to use subtraction facts to solve the given questions. Now let's move to our next topic, subtraction of 4-digit numbers. First, we will do a question without borrowing. Question is, subtract 2527 from 6759. So first, we will write these numbers in column. Then, we will start subtracting them from ones place. 9 minus 7 equals to 2. Then subtract the digits at tens place. 5 minus 2 equals to 3. Next we move to hundreds place. 7 minus 5 equals to 2. And lastly, we subtract the digits at thousands place. 6 minus 2 equals to 4. So answer is 4232. Now let's do a question with borrowing. Find the difference between 8735 and 4687. So let's write these numbers in column and we will start subtracting them from ones place. But 5 is weaker than 7. So 5 need to borrow. It will borrow from tens place. So 3 becomes 2 and 5 becomes 15. Now 15 minus 7 equals to 8. Now let's move to tens place. But again 2 is weaker than 8. So 2 need to borrow from hundreds place. So 7 becomes 6 and 2 becomes 12. Now we can subtract 12 minus 8 equals to 4. Now we will subtract the digits at hundreds place. 6 minus 6 equals to 0. And lastly, we will subtract the digits at thousands place. So 8 minus 4 equals to 4. Therefore, answer is 4048. Now students, let's see how to check subtraction. Let's solve a question to understand how to check subtraction. Find the difference between 5621 and 2420 and check your answer. Students, remember that to check subtraction, we take help of addition. So firstly, we will subtract the given numbers to find the difference. 1 minus 0 equals to 1. 2 minus 2 equals to 0. 6 minus 4 equals to 2. And 5 minus 2 equals to 3. So we have got the difference as 3201. Now students, to check this answer, we will add this difference and subtrahend, which is 2420. And if their sum is equal to the minuend, that is 5621, then the answer is correct. So let's add them. 1 plus 0 equals to 1. 0 plus 2 equals to 2. 2 plus 4 equals to 6. And 3 plus 2 equals to 5. Now, since the sum is equal to the minuend, then it means our subtraction is correct. So students, this is how we check subtraction with the help of addition. Now let's learn how to estimate the difference. Students, we will estimate the difference in the same way as we did estimating the sum. That is, we will round off the numbers. So let's do a question. Find the estimated and exact difference between 679 and 434. So let's first find the estimated difference. For this, we need to round off the given numbers. 679 rounds up to 700 and 434 rounds down to 400. Now let's subtract these two numbers. 0 minus 0 equals to 0. Again 0 minus 0 equals to 0. And 7 minus 4 equals to 3. So this is the estimated difference. Now let's find the exact difference between the given numbers. 679 minus 434. 9 minus 4 equals to 5. 7 minus 3 equals to 4. And 6 minus 4 equals to 2. So students, estimated difference is 300 and exact difference is 245. So this is how we estimate the difference. Now let's understand how to solve word problems related to subtraction. Word problem is Sanjana had 9250 rupees in her bank account. She had to go for shopping and thus she withdrew rupees 4590 from her account. How much money is left in her bank account? Students, as you can see, this is a subtraction word problem. Let's first write the statements. Money in the bank account of Sanjana equals to rupees 9250 and money withdrawn from the account equals to 4590. Now to find the money left in the bank account, we will subtract these two numbers. So let's do it. First we will write them in column and now we will start subtracting them from ones place. 0 minus 0 equals to 0. Now let's move to tens place, but 5 is weaker than 9. So it will borrow from hundreds place. So 2 becomes 1 and 5 becomes 15. Now 15 minus 9 equals to 6. Let's move to hundreds place, but 1 is weaker than 5. So 1 borrows from thousands place. Therefore 9 becomes 8 and 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 5 equals to 6. And then 8 minus 4 equals to 4. So answer is 4660. Students, never forget to write the answer statements in the word problems. So let's write the answer statement. Rupees 4660 is left in Sanjana's bank account. Now students, in the end, I am giving you a worksheet for your practice. So solve these questions and check your answers with the answers available below in the description box. Do watch my other videos and share my channel and my videos with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.